Last land with London abroad. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, where I will share my personal travel experiences as I land around the world. What do we have in store for today? Come along.